times of need, I will be your end. Worshipping material that not go lost. When you get tired of it, you place it on the shelf. Your health should be your wealth. Look in the mirror, how you see yourself. With all the money in the